Ladies and gentlemen, I believe these girls have prepared something for all of us. So once again, isang masikapong palakpakan for the Team Bride. Ladies and gentlemen, mukhang ating mga lilinmen ay sayaw na. Kaya huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's welcome this time, this awesome handsome boys. Let's give it up now for Marco, Gilbert, Mark Tyrant, Ian Carlo, John Michael, Jason, Lester, and Patrick, the Grooms Gang. Come on, boys! Clap your hands, boys! Mukhang hindi sasayaw ang ating Team Groom hanggat hindi nila naririnig ang isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasama si God! Once again, let's give it up for the Grooms Gang! Let's do this, boys! One more time. That must be lower, boys. So much you need, I'm excited now to finally see again the couple and welcome them here to the most joyous or happiest part of the celebration. And without further ado, please all rise. Come on, lahat po tayo ay magsitayo. And let's get our hands ready to give our warmest welcome to the most beautiful couple tonight. Here they are, finally and officially. Now, always and forever, everybody, grab your table napkins. Come on. I want everyone to wave the table napkins up in the air as we welcome the couple. Here they are, Mr. and Mrs. Juan Carlo Maldonado and Jelen Gavin Maldonado. Come on, everybody, wave your table napkins. Make some noise, boys. Come on, Jelen. Carlo, let's dance together. Come on, join us here. It's party time. Let's move but first, you should take my hand. Celebration, not only inviting them that we are celebrating and enjoying tonight, but also the bride's birthday. Come on, naman yun natin once again. Carlo, and especially our bride, Jelen, we're celebrating her birthday today. Maraming salamat po and you can also down again. Thank you to all our abayos, to the Ninong Siminax, as well as the parents, and of course the sister of our group. Maraming salamat po. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, alright, so let me approach our couple.
Salamat sa inyo lahat na napunta dito. At ang masasabi ko lang sa aking anak ay maraming salamat sa pagmamahal sa amin na kanyang ako at sa aking mga kapatid, sa aking mga anak, sa aking mga apo. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a round of applause for Mrs. Felipe Maldonado, the groom's mother. Maraming salamat for that very heartwarming message. And this time, on behalf of the family of the bride, the Gallaudet family, a round of applause please for her father.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Jelen, happy birthday. Para sa inyong dalawa, kasama tayo ng masaya.
Yes.
Kasama tayo ng masaya.
Short and sincere words coming from the father of our bride. Palakpakan naman po natin once again, Mr. Reynaldo Galvez Jr. Thank you. Maraming pong salamat sa ating mga minamahal na mga magulang. You can all go back to your seats. Alright. Unfortunately, Mrs. Griselda Galvez is attending to something very important right now. Okay, but I know she is as thankful as her husband. Maraming salamat po. So, sa putong ito mga kaibigan at mga kapamilya, before we enjoy our bountiful feast, we shall witness our couple perform some significant traditions or ceremonies which are a part of our celebration tonight. Mga kaibigan at mga kapamilya, bago po nakilala ni Carlo ang prinsesa ng kanyang buhay, ang babaeng pinakasalan niya sa araw na ito at dahil walang iba kundi si Joel. Bago po siya ay may isang babaeng itinuturing niya kaya nag-isang reyna. Ang babaeng natatangi sa kanyang puso at sa kanyang buhay bukod sa kanyang minamahal na asawa. This woman, I must say, is always there to support him in every step of the way. And this woman is always proud of the man that he has become. Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness this precious moment as the groom, Carlo, dances with his one and only queen, his lovely mother, Mrs. Olivia Montonado, in their mother and son dance. Let's give them a deep hand. Gusto namin isang kasi